Hola, a quick video to show you how to get to your virtual book. Some of you were having difficulties on how to get there. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open a new tab and get to this address. Once you get there, go into your book. This is how the first page looks like. Click sign in. You're not going to put any information here. You're going to click where it says Savas Easy Bridge. Here you're going to copy this and paste it right here so it is exactly the same, because there are a couple more that have Union Co or Union County or something like that, and you don't want to get confused. So once you click go, it's going to take you to the PowerSchool page. From here I cannot show you more because I'm not a student and I cannot show you how the student look like. But once you get to the PowerSchool, you're required to log in PowerSchool, because our book is connected. I don't know how, but it's connected to the PowerSchool. So you need to sign in with your information for PowerSchool. That should take you to the book. And this is how the book looks like. Once you go in, it should tell you this is what it looks like for me, because I picked this picture. You can pick a picture and you have just to personalize it. That's the first instruction they give you. If you cannot get to the book, sorry, I'm gonna go back just a little bit. There is a part there, it shows there where it says my work. When you click my work, there's where you're gonna find your assignments. Okay, now back to this. If for some reason you cannot get to the book, once you follow all those steps, I want you to use these arrows and go back. Okay, and go back to I'm going to show you where. Go back to this one. Go back all the way with this arrow to this one and try again. It may take several attempts for you to get here, to get to the book, but then finally you will get there and you will find where it says my work. Click on my work and then you will find the assignments. I'm going to show you how the assignments may look. It won't be exactly like that, but I'm going to try to show you one of the assignments. I don't want to show something that you shouldn't see. Let's pause again. Looks something like this. It shows the assignment. You just click on the assignment and complete it. It shows right here that 5 out of 25 people completed this assignment already. On my side, I'm going to see it by student, so I'm going to know who did it. You don't have but to write your name or anything. You're just going to do the assignment and I check it on my end. I hope this is helpful for you, but if still you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.